there, my name is Karina from Knit Indulgence, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix mistakes. Now, I did notice that on my knitting, I accidentally knit a green stitch here instead of a gold stitch, which means on the back side, yeah, it's a blue stitch instead of a green stitch. So what I need to do is to remove those stitches and to properly knit them so I can follow along my pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slip those off of my needle and then take my handy dandy crochet hook and then just pull those stitches out from the middle and back layers. Now you notice it looks like a big mess here. I'll just set those aside just so I can see what I'm doing. Sometimes I'll use a cable needle and just stick it through my stitches so I don't lose them, but it's just one row down, so it's not going to be too difficult to fix those up. So what I need to do here is I need to rearrange these legs of yarn into the proper order so I know which stitches I need to pick up. Now for the back layer, I need to go through the back with my crochet hook and catch that green, and then I can just slip that up onto my needle just so I have that stitch. The middle stitch is going to be blue, so what I do is I go from front to back into that loop, catch that ladder there, and then pull it through, hook that onto my needle, and then I need to put the crochet hook through that front stitch, grab the gold and slip that back onto the needle. And that's really all you have to do to fix any color mistakes. Even if you made a color mistake down here, or if there's a bar across your work from not properly managing your yarn tails here, you know, bringing to back and then bringing to front, you just need to ladder down. It does get a little difficult with 3 layers, but if you work systematically, it should be possible. If you go past 5 layers down or even 4 layers down, it's good to have some sort of vertical lifeline to help you keep track of where you are, where your string goes or where your yarn goes, which stitch you're working in. But mainly that's how you fix mistakes. Other lazier people will probably just do like a stitch over top in the same color yarn. But if you're anything like me, I like to have it perfected, and I'll fix that mistake if I notice it before I carry on, and I will ladder down as far as I need to go as long as I have those vertical lifelines or cable needles to keep my yarns all separated so I know which layer I'm working on. And that's how you fix mistakes in triple knitting. I hope you had fun learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.